Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to be playing some Crossout. We're going to show you how to build a vehicle, a basic vehicle, and then we're going to use it in battle mode. Hope you enjoy the show. Now first you need to go to the build button. You're going to press that, and then you're going to press the tab button. Now keep in mind I have a lot more stuff than what you're going to start with. First you're going to need to pick out a chassis and a cabin. You click the little tab right there, and we're going to pick the 8x4 lightweight frame. Next we're going to place the frame. We're going to need to rotate it, and I like to place it near the back, not the front. So we're going to move that all the way to the back, and we're going to place it. Next we're going to need another one. We're going to go with the 6x4 lightweight frame. We're going to place it, connect it, spin around a little bit to get to the right location. All these controls you'll become familiar with them as you play. Next you're going to need a cab. We start with a Gorilla, but I like to use the Quantum because it's better, and I've earned it. So we'll place that towards the back. I like to place it towards the back so we can put stuff in front, but some people like to build them differently. Next we're going to need the wheels. And you start off with the starter wheels. I like to go with 4-wheel steering. ST stands for steering. Put them in the front and the back. These are the shivs. They allow you to grind away at the other vehicles. You place them on all 4 sides. One in the front, one in the back. Sometimes you can use even more, but we're going to use 4 for this one. So yeah, now we're starting to look like an actual car vehicle. Next we're going to need some hardware. Probably put an engine in there. You don't need an engine, but they're more powerful. I use the Dun Horse. The Hot Red and the Razorback are a little too big for me. I like to use the Dunback. So I'll turn that sideways, and then we will probably put a generator in front of that. The amper, that allows us to have more power as far as our weapons is concerned. Now speaking of weapons, I'm going to put some melee weapons on this vehicle. I like to go with the grinder, the borer, and the buzz saws. And also have boomsticks and all kinds of other stuff. So let's go ahead and put the borer on there. We'll put that right in the middle. No, I want that in the middle, because we're going to put the buzz saws on either side. And I'll make for a good melee. Nah, I put that too high. I gotta move that down. Okay, so this is, as you can tell, very time consuming, but it's worth it if you get the setup right. Next we're going to need some sort of protection. We have different armor types. You're going to go up and go to the structure tab, click that, and there's a variety of different armors you can pick. I've earned a lot, so we're going to just see what fits. I think something big in the front. There we go, a train plow. You gotta line it up right so it's not off center. There you go. And I'm gonna fast forward through building the armor because it's time consuming. You have to piece together, but you'll see in the end we'll add another another weapon, and we'll add lots of armor. Alright. So now that we've got all that together, we're going to put on my final touch, which is my swinging pendulous bludgeons. I always paint them the same color too, so you know what they represent. At this point we can test drive it, or we can take it straight into battle. We're going to take it straight into battle. Let's see how it holds up.
Let's get them all and just stand this.
Now we play the waiting game.
One of ours is down. No more running for that one. That is what... Great. Now we gotta look around dark corners. Well done. Fantastic. I've come here that you you know what I mean. There's a whole bunch of them here. I'm taking over their base. Give me some cover. Enemy base. Get this.
So what I did was I detonated my vehicle. I just wrecked around.
Another one's holed up in here somewhere. Wipe the floor! Good work, guys. We nailed them.